Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to pin a post in Facebook group. So let's go to Facebook group first. Then you have to write here your post and you can post it. After post it, if you want to make this post pin post, all you have to just click on this three dot icon beside the post, this one. Click on this and you'll find here pin to featured. Just choose pin to featured and you can see that done. You have pinned the post to featured. Your post has been pinned now. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.